everybody, welcome back to math class. Today we are going to look at the formula for calculating surface area. Now, we're focusing on prisms because it uses the same formula. So I have rectangular and triangular prisms that I'm focusing on. The capital P in my formula is the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base. So in a triangular prism, the triangles are my bases. So capital P would be the distance around the triangle, adding those three sides. For rectangular prisms, you have to identify those bases or they'll tell you. I've identified this one and this one as my base because I wanted to be able to show you the perimeter. So the perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape. Now, H, height, is the distance between bases. H is distance between bases. So if I have base and base over here, then H is the distance between those two bases. And I measured that, and this is 5. Now the perimeter. Lateral area is the area of this long rectangle that goes through the middle. And if you'll watch, the perimeter of the base actually folds up around that rectangle so that when you unfold the rectangle, so here's my base, and when I unfold it, the perimeter of that base ends up being the length of this rectangle, and the height ends up being the distance between the bases. So lateral area, you're finding the area of that rectangle. Same with triangular prisms. You have this triangle right here, and the perimeter, when you fold it up, the perimeter of that triangle, when you unfold it, becomes the length of that rectangle on top. So you've got length of this rectangle times the height, which is the area of that rectangle, or the lateral area. Now, to find total area, you take the lateral area, which again is the area of the rectangle that goes down the middle, and you add in 2 capital B's. Capital B is the area of the base. And you have 2 of those with prisms. So base, base, lateral face. And then over here you've got base, base, lateral face. All right, we're going to practice with one. I'm going to redraw the one that I have over here. So draw a rectangle. And then from your corners, I'm going to go down because I drew this a little bit too close to my words. Take your 3 corners and draw down to the right. And then connect the ends of those lines. I do not want to draw this transparent because I don't want to see every side. Because the goal of this lesson is to not find the area of each shape, but to use our formula. Now this is 5 across. I believe it is 3 tall and 2 wide. All right. First thing I want to do is find the perimeter. Well, first thing I need to do is identify the bases. So step 1, identify base. I usually do that by shading. So for rectangular prisms, it's usually the bottom, not always the case. So I'm going to shade my base. Then I need to find the perimeter. So step 2, what is the perimeter of the base? Perimeter of base. So this is 5, 2, 5, 2. What is the perimeter of the base? 14. So capital P equals 14. All right, the other number I need here is the height. How far apart are my 2 bases if my bases are the top and the bottom? my height here is 3. So h equals 3. So lateral area, 3 would be height. Find the height. Then lateral area, I multiply the two together. Multiply those two numbers. So 14 times 3 is 42. So my lateral area is 42. Now, if it's asking for total surface area, you have to do more. We have to add in those two bases. If it's asking for lateral area, you're done. If it's asking for total surface area, we need to go on. So if it's total, we have to add two bases to this answer. So what is the area of my orange base? The area of an orange base is 10. So capital B is 10. So if I take my lateral area, which is 42, and I add two bases, what is my total surface area here? 62. So total surface area is 62. Now, you can use this formula. You can revert back and keep doing it the 6th grade way, but I hope that you see the benefit of this way and how it's a little bit faster and takes less steps, and it really helps you see how these shapes unfold to make large rectangles and then two bases. Have fun practicing. I will see you guys next time when we look at cylinders. Bye, guys.